Hey everyone, so I hope all of you guys had a good start to the new year. Very recently I had put up a video of all my single issues, and this what I have right in front of me, this unboxing also has few single issues. There was one of the sellers whom I knew, and he was selling off some of the single issues to make way for some new stuff. So then he had checked with me asking if I'll be interested in any of those. So I picked out few, although I forgot which are the ones which I picked out. The only thing which I asked him was, when he sends it across, send it in a very good way, because it's a single issue and there is a very high chance that it will get bent or something. So I like the way that he has packaged it, as you guys can see it, so that there is enough backing and boarding to the comics inside, which is very professional of him, and thanks to him for that. I'm just trying to open it, and once you go inside you will start seeing the bubble wrap, which is very good because it absorbs if there are any shocks during transit. And yeah, let's quickly open this up and show you guys what we have in store for today. Removing the bubble wrap, and I think these are comics, some old comics, not very recent ones. The ones I showed you in my last video were mostly modern comics. These are, I think, from Bronze Age or in somewhere in those times. But let's see. Oh wow, he sent me one free comic day Phantom, which is awesome. This is something which I didn't order from him. I think he just gave it to me as a courtesy. So extremely thank you for that. I didn't expect a Phantom book in my wildest dreams to come through. Even if it's a free comic book day Phantom, I would take it very, very happily. Let's see, what else do we have? Okay, so we have the Phantom free comic book day issue. Looks pristine. I think it, I don't know whom, it's by HP. I don't know what is HP, which publisher this is. That's something for me to find out, but otherwise it look really good. So this has glossy pages, so it's a modern issue, and it has some interesting cover art as well. Maybe I could do a full review of this book sometime later, after reading and going through it and understanding what exactly is this book all about. Yeah, so it looks like from some foreign publisher. I'm still not able to figure out who it's by Hermes Press. Okay, so that's the HP that we spoke about. Cool. So that's the Phantom. Hermes Press is, I recently read, is bringing out an issue which is to do with a trade paperback for Phantom of all the DC collected edition very recently. Cool. The next one we have is something which I bought. This is an old cover. It's not in the best of shapes. There's some patchwork that's been done on it, and you can see the newspaper print paper. It's Batman number 395. It's a very old story, but I really like the cover. Yeah, I really like this cover art, and that's the reason why I picked it. I hope you guys like it as well. So yeah, that's one of the books which I bought from him. This, and the next one is Batman introducing Black Mask. Right, so this is the first introduction issue of the villain they call as Black Mask, and that is the reason why I picked up this book. Again, this is a very old book as well. Batman number 386. Right, and it's just in an okay shape. It's a very, very early story of Black Mask. I hope this is first printing. I don't have an idea. if this is or this is not, but yeah, that's something which I'll find out soon. But anyways, it's a good book to have. Again, newspaper print copy. This is the one which is the first issue of Captain Planet. They didn't publish much of this character, but yeah, watching Captain Planet as a kid, I always wanted to get a comic book, and to get the number one, the first one, is great. So that's this book. Cool. Yeah, it's also not in the best of shape, but yeah, I think all the pages are there. That's what he told me, so I'm happy with it. So that's Captain Planet and the Planeteers. The next one we have, which is in pretty good shape, is Marvel Tales featuring the sensational Spider-Man. And this is interesting because this is the Marvel 25th anniversary homage issue to Spider-Man, and you could see all the other characters around Spidey lined up. And it's a brilliant cover as well. That's the reason why I picked it. This is more costly a book than the others, purely because of the condition also. It's in fantastic condition. So that is the Spidey book which I picked up from him, from Marvel Tales. And the last one which I have is Spider-Man If This Be My Destiny. This I took because this is the reprint of the origin issues for Gwen Stacy and I think Norman Osborn. So both of these characters appear for the first time in this book, the original one. This is the reprint. So this is from, I think, the Amazing Fantasy 31 is reprinted in this book, and that's the reason why I picked. And also I love the cover. It's a fantastic cover. So those are all the books that I have, guys. This is a quick unboxing of these single issues. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want me to review anything specific in this, please do let me know in the comment section. So until next time, bye bye.